Hello and welcome to like a little bit of an unboxing and a little bit of a look at some of these COREL kits. These are some much more affordable, faster, just smaller kit compared to the other wooden COREL kits that we have. And I think it's worth having a look inside of these just to, or just one of them at least, to see how easy and beginner friendly these kits are. Because when approaching a wooden ship, there is so much that you need to consider. You're basically like putting everything together from scratch. You're cutting all this stuff up. Whereas these ones, they make it quite easy for you. So let's have a look inside and have a look at them. This is the Yacht America. So let's have a look down here. This one says Yacht America, code SM102. It's by COREL line. Coraline. Here we have some information on the yacht itself and some of the products we have. Nice slim packaging for this kit. Let's open it up and have a look at what comes inside. You see that? So, first bag here. We have our hull. We have some of the little wooden pieces, all of our ropes and turnbuckles, and some laser cut. So this one's like laser cut in some areas, as you can see through this packet here, which is really nice. We have decals. We have little placards for the boat itself. Let me just get in there a little bit more. Yes, placards, decals, fabric that you're going to cut out for the sails. There's your hull. So I presume it has a piece that goes right through the middle there. Ah, that's it there. That's the laser cut piece. That is it. How cool is that? That's all you get in this kit. And it turns out to be this beautiful boat. Let's get it in the front. This here. Look at that. Or this is the plans. This is what we're striving for. So you get a booklet stapled at the side. Here are your instructions. I won't go too in depth in any of the instructions of these, but you're going to put all your planks of wood on the deck. Here's how to build a little cupola, as I'd call it if it was a tank. That's the stand, definitely the stand there. Here is the guide for cutting out your sails. Rigging the sails. This would take a little bit of time, but it would 100% be worth it in the end. You have your flag there that you're going to be attaching to the mast. This is it here, the floor plan of the boat. Anchor. What's this? Ah, this is you'll be reading in this part. So this is the English version of what we've just been through, pretty much. So that's pretty much it. You're just running through all the other languages. That's one kit right there, and it all folds up. As you can see, all these little planks and whatnot. It all rolls up into that, and it goes in your box. How cool is that for a little stocking filler, or just a belated birthday gift? Or something just really nice. Let's have this over here. Let's have that one there. What do we think? HMS Bounty or HMS Victory? Let's do the Victory. They're both British. Same box as before, different printing. This is a much more chunky boat. Has a lot more little things going, but it only has one bag of parts. The other one had two. This time they've decided to put it all in one bag. So this is what you get. So straightforward, fairly simple. we got the... Okay, that's that kit there. This is a different type of instruction sheet, so I'm going to have to zoom out here. This is how it's going to be opening up. All of it's going together like this. Another stand, your mast with the sails. You're going to have the rigging coming up next, your flags, everything being put on, and that's it. And you have like a lovely little desktop wooden ship. It's just wonderful. I don't think these have gotten enough attention because we only just got them in the store. They're a fairly new product for us. We've stocked the regular larger scale COREL stuff first, but now we've got a couple of these in, and they're a great beginners or even intermediate if you just like building boats. They're a great little thing. So let's get it like that. We just want to see the ship. Let's go for the Bounty. Let's have a look at the Bounty. I'm coming at this from someone who's never built a wooden boat. But when I saw these, I did an unboxing for a customer. I was just astounded at how user-friendly this appears to be. They're daunting, wooden boats. I find them daunting. I always have. Alright, so similar instructions to the one before. We decided to staple it on the right side this time. Left side, which is the right side. Very similar again. Here you go. You've got some photo etch railing, rudders, white metal parts. Might as well just zoom in on these a little bit over here. There you go. There you got your Union Jack, British flag. Quite a few little miscellaneous parts. You got a lifeboat, cannon. Look at that. You got a little Monopoly cannon. It's very nice of them to include that. All of your pins, masts. And this one, the laser cut wood as well. And then the big instruction sheet. My goodness, I'm so tongue-tied today. Is that it? Oh, there we go. And then we've got the rigging. Here we go, over here. PVA glue for the flag. Have to treat it to keep it into shape that you're after. And that's it. Once again, what a wonderful little kit. I thought I would take you along, show you this kit today, because to us they're new. Maybe for you, you've heard about these for a very long time, but we've got these at the moment. They're really, really cool. Beginner friendly to intermediate. Little desktop wooden ship model. Here they are. Let's get them all together. COREL ships. Oh, that looks really cool actually. Imagine kit bashing that. Can we do it with the other one? Did I do the same thing? Oh, I'm not sure. Anyway, here they are. Here are the COREL kits. Lovely little things. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you've learned something about these little wooden kits that I knew nothing about before. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm Kobey from Hearns Hobbies, and we'll see you next time.